Hi everyone, welcome back to another healthy and amazingly delicious salad recipe. And today we are going to make a high protein paneer or cottage cheese salad that's low in carb, keto friendly, and therefore an ideal salad recipe for weight loss. So let's get started with this healthy yet delicious salad recipe with a flavorful salad dressing that makes this salad so very amazing to taste. And here I've taken 200 grams of paneer or cottage cheese cut into medium sized portions like this. And now let's prepare our marination sauce to coat the paneer cubes. For that we'll take a plate and into it we'll add some salt as per taste. Next goes around 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder. Then this is garlic and herb mix which has got dried garlic chunks, basil, oregano, thyme, rosemary, adding a teaspoon of it. And finally I'm going to add around 1.5 teaspoon of olive oil so the spices and seasonings blends well with each other. And now we need to mix all this well until they are well combined. Now let's add the paneer cubes into the spice mix. And now we will gently rub the paneer cubes with the spice mix so that they are coated well from all the sides with the seasonings and spice mix. And we will let them rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. In the meantime, I will chop some lettuce. I'll be using green lettuce as well as iceberg lettuce, which will give a crunch and make our salad satisfying and more filling. But you can use any other lettuce of your choice. Now let's transfer the chopped lettuce into a large mixing bowl. And along with this, we will add some chopped tomatoes, some chopped English cucumber, as well as some onion strips. We'll keep the veggies aside for a moment, and now time to saute the paneer. For that I will add 1.5 teaspoon of olive oil. We'll spread the oil on all the sides of the pan, and when the oil is hot enough we will add the paneer cubes, and on low to medium flame we will saute them until they are well browned from all the sides. And friends, because of the marination, the paneer cubes turns out so very flavorful that you can enjoy them right away also. And by now the paneer cubes are well sauteed from all the sides, so we'll take them out and keep them aside in a plate. And now time to prepare a very flavorful salad dressing. For that we'll take a mixer jar, and into it we will add some coriander or cilantro leaves. Next goes few mint leaves, 2 large garlic pods. Then I'm adding here 1.5 tablespoon of hung curd or thick curd. You can also add yogurt if you want. Then this is crumbled paneer. We'll be adding 1 tablespoon of it, which will make the dressing thick and creamy. For seasoning we'll add some salt as per taste, and now we need to grind this into a smooth paste. Let's check this now, and our flavorful salad dressing is ready. You can see the consistency. Now let's pour the prepared salad dressing over the veggies. And now we need to mix the dressing for at least 1 to 2 minutes so that they are well combined with the veggies. So mixing is done, and now time to plate the salad. And here goes our healthy and delicious high protein paneer salad that's low in carb and keto friendly. And friends, you can enjoy this as a complete meal and include in your weight loss diet. So friends, do try this amazing salad recipe. Also share your feedbacks, and you can also check out my other healthy salad recipes. We'll see you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care, and happy cooking everyone.